Hello and welcome to this yoga class. We are doing relaxing poses today, and we are starting by reclining butterfly pose. So come lie on your back. You can bend your knees and just open your knees to your sides. Bring the soles of your feet together. You can have your arms over your head or you can bring them onto your sides, bringing both of your shoulder blades firmly on your mat. And just breathe and relax here. Breathing in, filling your lungs completely, and breathing out, emptying your lungs completely. Just try to stay present in each one of your breaths. And maybe breath or two in here. Then lifting your knees toward the ceiling, leaning into each other, coming onto your all fours, and we are coming to our child's pose. So sit on your heels, bring your forehead to your mat. You can have your arms over your head or you can bring them on the side of your legs. And again, breathe fully in and out. Try to find calmness in your mind. And just relaxing here. Trying to stay present in this present moment. So whatever has been going on during the day, just try to put them aside from your mat. And remember that your mat is your happy place. So nothing outside of your mat is really reaching onto it. One last breath. And we are moving on to butterfly pose. So bring the soles of your feet together, open your knees to your sides. Now we are sitting up, of course, and then come to your forward fold from there. Relax your arms, relax your neck. And again, find the calmness on your mind. The state of silence. And just few more breaths like this. You can stay like this for just a minute or two, for a while, let's say. You can also bring the crown of your head toward your feet and round your back a little bit more. So on the last pose we were more trying to keep our back straight, and now we are really rounding our back. Again, remember to breathe fully in and out. And then slowly prepare yourself with the next pose. Come up to seated and then continue to lie on your back. And once you are lying on your back, lift up your legs. You can have your arms on your sides, palms up, chest open, your shoulder blades firmly on your mat. And again, find a state of calmness in your mind. And if you notice that there is so much going on in your head, you just quietly in your mind say, breathing in, I relax my mind. Breathing out, I smile. For example, or if there is something else you want to breathe in, and if there is something else you want to breathe out. And then we are all ready in our final pose, which is Savasana, final relaxation. So come lie on your back and find the comfortableness on this pose. Let your feet open to sides. Bring your arms on the side of your body, palms up. Let every exhalation bring a little bit more relaxation into your body. Whatever tension you are holding, just try to let it go with every one of your exhalations. There is a quote that I want to share with you today, and it goes like this: happiness depends on your attitude, not on what you have. You can start to bring a little bit movement into your body. Move your fingers and your toes. Then turn onto your right side. Bring your hands under your head. And from there, lift yourself up to seated. And short time for the gratitude of the practice that you just did. You can lift your palms onto your heart center. Lift your thumbs in between your brows. Make a little bow to say thank you. Namaste. And I see you in the next video. Bye.